Yo, what's going on guys? My name is Matthew and welcome back to the channel. And yes, I know, just started filming and look what's turned up. As we got for the intro, nice wee hot rods. Not sure what kind of hot rods. I don't know hot rods that well. I know I've been gone for a wee while, but I mean, it's Scotland during the winter season and there's hardly, well, there's no content at all in the winter season, and in fact this is where the car scene really starts to revive back up again after the winter. Like, you see everyone like down in England and in America getting all kinds of car content. Me meanwhile here in Scotland struggling to find it, but I will find some car content eventually, don't you worry. But we're here at Crail once again for the big one. Kind of a weird name, I know, but sponsored by Falkland Performance. Not really much else to say really, but other than the fact we're gonna take a look now at the show, and then I'm gonna come back and grab a camera crane and we'll see you down at trackside. Now real quickly, before we get any further, I would like to say be sure to hit that subscribe button with the notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any other content like this. And also, there's something else I want to say. You might want to stay tuned to the channel very soon, because there's 2 new videos coming. I'm not going to say what they are. One of them is going to a certain museum to look at some very certain cars, as I'm sure you probably would have heard about some of that. That's all I'm going to say. And another thing is that I've apparently become aware that someone somewhere in Scotland has one of these. That's right. A Porsche 911 GT1 Stressenversion. And I'm also brought to my attention that someone has also got one of these. Yep, a Bugatti Veyron Super Sport World Record. Now, if those owners are probably watching this, probably not, or if anyone here watching this knows the owners of those cars, I'd like to maybe see if you guys can maybe bring those cars down here to somewhere in the centre of Scotland. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a Scottish Performance show, maybe Scottish Festival of Motoring, who knows. But with that out of the way, and hopefully we'll see those cars at some point, let's get into the show and see Focus ST there. But without any further ado, let's get into the show and see how cool this actually is. Right, so here we are now in the show, and yes, I'm now sporting a new Ford jacket, thanks to that store all the way down there. Yeah, and a couple of more Ford hoodies, kind of identical to the one I've got, but in a bit better condition. There's not much show cars here yet, but that's just because, well, we've only just arrived. The show doesn't really start till 10 and we're about half an hour early, so there's still probably a lot to come. I love this engine cover. The black and the yellow. I think I'll take a photo of that. I love the look of this RS, the colour on it. That is sick. Thumbnail. On today's episode of What's Inside Your Car, on this week's episode, some Teletubbies. Meanwhile, on this Golf GTD, I love these bowler wheels. It could be better, the size of these exhaust pipes on this.
You can fit your whole camera thing in there.
Yep. Meanwhile, at the other end of the scale, we got the Ford Kaz. E92 M3. I'd quite like to have one of these. The V8 bellow out of the V8 version. Though, pity that if you've got, let's say, a family of 5, at least this version, only 4 seats. I'm sure if you get the 4-door version, yes, that will have 5 seats, so the 5-door version is going to have to be what I'm going to have to get then. So all the way back here, this FK8 looks rather stunning. And the EP3 Type R, is it the Japanese spec?
It's got UK.
Yep, JDM spec, in kilometers an hour indicator. Yep, on the right side of the wheel. Yeah, this is not Euro spec, UK spec. This is proper Japanese spec, pre-facelift. Meanwhile, just casually, just a VW Bora, just all by itself at the moment. All the way over at the drift track, looks like we've got an Infiniti G37 drifting around with an E46. Meanwhile down here, we've got the R32 GT-RV spec. Next to one of everyone's favourites, totally, an MX-5 Miata. That's what it looks like for now. That's pretty much about everything that's in the showgrounds at the moment. So right now we're gonna go and get my camera crane and make our way down the trackside. Now what's this part right next to us? An Audi R8. V10 or V8? V8, this is the original Gen 1 R8. The very first Audi R8 ever made. That's pretty cool. Well, not the first, but the first variant, if you know what I mean. Wee bit behind the scenes talk. If you're wondering what all that rattling is in the background, yeah, it is pretty suspicious going around with a suitcase, but it's filled with my camera crane and stuff. Just make our way down the trackside and then hopefully we can get a good spot. Right, so here we are now at Crail. I've got my camera crane set up. It's a little bit higher than before, and here we are. Yeah, and the range of motion I've got is quite simply astonishing. I mean, look at the height of this. That's all the way up there. That should get you a better sense of height now, huh? Now bring it back down and let's start recording. That should make it much easier now. M4 version X5, easy squat man. And again, M4 rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive. I've got all-wheel drive advantage. Behind the scenes and filming all in one. I hope you all can see all
Cavolo dai, cambia, quanto è schifo a fare?
No, 2.1 second. And again, 90 mile an hour, 16.1. for gits and shiggles, I'ma get this street KA. It's not really a street KA, it's just a KA. And surprisingly, it looks like a button. Amazing.
You met James, middle name Q Barger.
The owner of the Golf Green Car registration.
Guys, I'm already on my last battery, so that's it for the drag strip. I'll probably post the times or something like that later on when I get home. Just gonna go and take one last look at the show and see if there's anything new that's turned up, and then I think I'll wrap the video up just a little bit of the drifting. So with that, we'll see you there. Alright, so as I was just packing up the crane there, I noticed there was an RX-7 going out. I don't know if he's going to go out on track or not, but it looks like I'm going to miss him. But we've got this R35 in matte black. Here's a closer look. Well, nice E36. And there's a closer look at a 300 ZX. Nice wee Mercedes. And next to the, I think it's a Ford Orion, I think. It's a nice blow by. So of this Subaru and yeah, a mini Lego Technic version of itself.
Impressive. That is.
Excellent. Next guy.
Sort of like, what if this Seat Cupra was during the max power times? And a lovely R32 GTR. Look at this RB26, man. Single turbo. It's a Trust turbo. Could it maybe sound like the Fast and Furious Skyline? Hang on. Is this nitrous injected? There's no way this has nitrous, right? And also, just coming onto the back, check out the size of this exhaust. And this double carbon wing, half roll cage. This is sick. Nice 370Z. And there's another Porsche that's turned up. I think that is about everything. I'm gonna wrap up at the drifting. I'm gonna get a few shots of the drifting and we'll wrap up and do the outro at the drifting. So see you at the drift pad. .3 litre flat 6 GT3.
What's the favourite on that? 7. Shepherd was the same.
Right, so here we are now at the drift pad. I'm not going to even bother digging up my crane reel. There's no point, and plus I'm just going to get a couple of minutes worth of clips because, like I say, this is just my last and final battery. So, and I don't know how much longer it'll last. So I don't know how much longer the battery will last. So I'll just grab a couple of minutes. Just grab a couple of minutes of the drifting and then I'll wrap up. Use that high shot got me, but not. Oh! The figure of it looks like it almost hit the figure of it. Straight 6 and V8. These two just spun out and stalled. For a split second, just a spin out, and then for a split second, just no sound at all. Oh, there we go again, spin out. Cut it there, I think. I don't know how much longer I've got on battery, but it is getting a bit chilly and I need to get back to Stirling to edit all this and to upload it. I would like to stay a bit longer, but like I say, I've got to go home and edit this. And it is getting a bit chilly. I don't know how much. I don't know how much battery life I've got left, so just in case I run out mid-filming, I'm going to wrap up here. So if you guys enjoyed that, be sure to give me a like, tell me in the comment section down below what you thought of it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Maybe one or two of the surprises that I mentioned, maybe the Bugatti Classic Car Show. You'll have to stay tuned to find out. Anyways, this is Matt Automotive, signing off. See you next time. Peace.